According to a new report from the Yonhap news agency, Samsung is considering ways to get away from the Galaxy S branding it's been using for the last several years. Instead of opting for the Galaxy S11 next year, Samsung is wondering whether it might be better to get away from numbers altogether. According to the report, a supposed Samsung insider said that while the company hasn't made a final decision, it's currently looking at options that can appeal to consumers. Another person told Yonhap News in an interview that going with 11, 12, or 13 would be a bad choice because of how much more difficult those numbers are to pronounce. The report is the latest in a string of rumors over the last several months that had suggested Samsung was considering a new name for the Galaxy S10. The idea was to break away from the numbered branding sooner rather than later and ultimately find a way to get branding people would like. When it was all said and done last week, however, Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S10e, Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10 Plus, and Galaxy S10 Plus 5G. Now, according to the Yonhap report, all eyes are on 2020 and the company's plan then. It's an issue that Samsung isn't alone in facing. Apple, too, has largely stuck to numbers in its iPhone iterations. 2 years ago, the company unveiled the iPhone X and last year showcased the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. It's unclear whether Apple will go with the iPhone 11 this year or if it will try to change its name to something different. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.